Gotta be able to stand some heat. Can't. Enough to be able to have this in your hand. Or that close to your hand. Hopefully y'all can see this, but anyway. Back to the fire. So, as you can see, it's still pretty red, but not quite as red as I like it, so back to the fire it goes. Okay, so here's day 2 of the heavy equipment pin Bowie. I'm about to start forging it again now. I gotta get her hot again. Still almost as wide as my finger, you see that? Punching a nice knife that I made. Yeah. Pretty good clench. I've been working on for like the last 2 months, and it's turned out pretty nice. I'm getting ready to do the handle today. I'm gonna put my son's initials and my initials on both sides. I'll stamp it in.